Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the unboxing and review of Boya M1 lavalier microphone. This is the best microphone for only 15 bucks. It can be used for multiple purposes such as video recordings and presentations, as it can be connected with your phones, camcorders, DSLRs and PCs with a 3.5mm jack. So I bought it from the Raj.pk, and I would also suggest you, if you ever try to buy something online, you should always unbox it in front of a camera. It could prove helpful to you, and I will put the links down in the description so you could also visit and purchase this product. So let's talk about the sound quality of this microphone. And the sound quality and recording quality is superb in this microphone, and it's a omnidirectional condenser microphone, so it would pick up a little bit noise but not too much, and it would perform our job nicely. So here is the box. On the front we got some branding, and at the back side we got some authentication seal and some specifications and features, etc. So let's quickly jump into the box. So on the top here is a flap. So if you talk about the unboxing experience, the first thing we see is the Boya branded leather pouch and some paperwork, yes of course, and a notice card also. Nothing too much important than this thing. In the first look, the quality of the pouch is very premium, and the microphone is in the pouch and nothing else, and also the silica gel, don't forget about it. So here we got some accessory packet, and the main thing here is the Boya M1 microphone. The wire is too long, which can easily perform our work, and here is the power container where we will put our batteries, and here is the microphone. The quality of the wire and the microphone is good, and in the accessory pouch we get the 1x4-inch adapter, the collar clip and the windscreen foam also. Here is the clip. The quality is too good, I'm loving this. Here is the windscreen, and this is the 1x4-inch adapter and 3.5mm. Basically it's a 3.5mm to 1x4-inch adapter. And here is the LR44 battery, which will power the microphone for us. So just quickly I will put on the windscreen on the microphone, and the microphone will be ready to roll. So yeah, that's it all for this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.